Are you really ready to deposit your money into VT markets just because thousands of traders are using it? Hold on. A broker can advertise ultra-low spreads, high leverage, and lightning-fast execution. But what really matters only begins after you make your first deposit. Is VT markets actually safe? Are its trading costs as competitive as advertised? How reliable are its withdrawals? And most importantly, is it the right broker for you in 2026? In the next few minutes, we'll get straight to the facts that every trader should know. Let's start with safety. VT Markets is a global broker that has been operating for several years and holds multiple regulatory licenses through different legal entities, serving clients across many countries. That's certainly a positive sign. However, don't make the mistake of assuming that a regulated broker automatically guarantees complete safety for your funds. The level of investor protection depends on the legal entity under which your account is registered. That's why, before making a deposit, you should always verify which entity your trading account falls under. Next, let's talk about trading costs. This is one area where VT Markets performs quite well. Its raw ECN account offers very tight spreads with a commission, while the standard account charges no commission, making it a more beginner-friendly option. That said, remember one important thing. The attractive spreads you see in advertisements usually reflect normal market conditions. During major events such as Federal Reserve interest rate decisions or the non-farm payroll report, spreads can widen significantly. That's why experienced traders never judge a broker based solely on its minimum advertised spread. Another factor that has become increasingly important in 2026 is execution speed. VT Markets provides fast trading infrastructure. That is more than sufficient for most retail traders. However, if you're a scalper, a news trader, or someone who runs expert advisors, EAs, it's always a good idea to test the broker with a small amount of capital first to evaluate execution quality during periods of high market volatility. Now let's address the question every trader cares about. How reliable are withdrawals? Like most major brokers, VT Markets has received both positive and negative reviews. Many traders report receiving their funds quickly, while others experience delays due to additional identity verification or banking procedures. The best approach is simple. Complete your account verification as early as possible. Use a payment method registered in your own name, and test the withdrawal process with a small amount before committing larger capital. It's one of the safest and smartest ways to evaluate any broker. So, who is VT Markets best suited for? If you're a beginner or a retail trader looking to trade Forex, gold, indices, and CFDs through MT4 or MT5, VT Markets is certainly a broker worth considering, thanks to its competitive trading conditions and familiar platforms. On the other hand, if you're a professional trader who requires institutional-grade execution or access to more specialized trading products, you may eventually find other brokers that better fit your needs. The key is not to find the best broker, it's to find the broker that best matches your trading strategy. In 2026, traders no longer compare brokers based only on spreads. They also evaluate execution quality, withdrawal reliability, customer support, platform stability, and overall transparency. VT Markets performs well across many of these areas. However, like every broker, it also has competitors that may outperform it in certain aspects depending on what you value most. So, what's the final verdict? VT Markets isn't the perfect broker that some advertisements claim it to be, but it's certainly not as bad as some negative comments on the internet suggest. It's a legitimate global broker that offers competitive trading conditions for most retail traders, as long as you do your own research before depositing your money. Always verify the legal entity that regulates your account. Understand the account type you're opening. Test both deposits and withdrawals with a small amount first, and never choose a broker simply because of attractive bonuses, high leverage, or recommendations from influencers. Just a few minutes of careful research today could save you from making costly mistakes in the future. At the end of the day, successful trading isn't just about predicting the market correctly, it's also about choosing the right trading environment. Even the best trading strategy can produce disappointing results if you're using the wrong broker. On the other hand, a reliable broker combined with disciplined risk management gives you a much stronger foundation for long-term success. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Every week, we publish the latest broker reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical trading guides to help you make smarter decisions before investing your money.